Everybody asking how we doing, say we good. Don't need no one to tell me how to live just like they would. It ain't their business, but they in it, I don't know why. Revolved around my life after I found another.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Adar Salsabila. I am from the regular pharmacist class morning 1H. In the first session, I will discuss the journal Pharmacist Health Education for Rheumatic Disease in Ngangguk Village, Holt City. With discussion, namely abstract, introduction, research objective, methods, rules of discussion, and finally, conclusion. The first line is abstract. Healthy is most inflammatory that must be kept by human. Lifestyle is the most informative factor that greatly affect people's lifestyle. Unhealthy lifestyle can cause disease. Rheumatic is an inflammatory disease and disorder that usually affect the joint. Lack of the public knowledge about the drugs as the deterrent and unhealthy lifestyle, so that people need pharmacy education to regulate and prevent disease by starting to change lifestyle. The pharmacy education and education program provide insight to the people of Ngangguk Kudus village to be more attentive to health. The purpose of the community service activity to provide education in the form of knowledge by providing information to the community about rheumatic disease. Rheumatic disease, how to get and use of rheumatic drugs are good and correct, so it can change the mindset and perspective of the community to be able to respond appropriately about information about rheumatic disease. Rheumatism is definition as a disease that causes pain due to inflamed muscles or joint and swelling. This disease mainly affects endothelial muscles, bones, ligaments, tendons, and joints in men and women with all ages. In general, rheumatism treatment can be used non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs and corticosteroids. Next slide. The general aim of this community service activity is to providing education in the form of knowledge and providing information to community about rheumatic disease. Types of drug for rheumatic disease, methods getting and using rheumatic medicine properly and correctly. Meanwhile, the output of this activity can change thinking partners and methodicity perspective to be able to respond appropriately to information about rheumatic disease, so that society is more know the whereabouts of pharmacies and can consult about tips the right medicine for rheumatism. Next slide. Method. This community service activity takes the form of counseling in the form of providing health education in the pharmaceutical sector regarding the importance of knowing and understanding rheumatism disease. Counseling. This education is generally provided to the village community, including introduction, the community service team, presentation of material regarding rheumatism and rheumatic medicine, discussion, question and answer. Result and discussion. Pharmaceutical health education for pharmaceutical decision. The pharmaceutical health education provided is in the form of counseling about rheumatic decision, which is carried out in Nganggo Village, Kudu City. In particular, this counseling is aimed at PPK cadre women in Nganggo Village, so that the result of the counseling received can be conveyed back to the surrounding residents. Nah, this is a future result of pharmacy education counseling on rheumatic disease. Next, conclusion. The result of the community service activity that have been carried out show that the outreach regarding rheumatic education has met the expected target, where the community is able to understand rheumatic disease, symptoms, and treatment of the rheumatism, and can know the tips of the rheumatic medicine, how to obtain and use good rheumatic medicine, and right.